Kyagulanyi Robert Ssentamu, the president of the National Unity Platform, has urged the party members to reflect on the battles they have gone through over the past 5 years and be a monument for those that have paid their ultimate price of life for the freedom of this country.
Comrades that we have in this struggle are foot soldiers. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I want you to know today that your sacrifice is never ever taken for granted. And I want to promise you today that your input and contribution will never go in vain. One day you will be proud of the things that you're doing today. I promise you that. One day is one day. I always say this to you, and I say it again. Dero kutoba encha kuvimba. In a very, very special way, ladies and gentlemen, I want all of you to join me in recognizing and honoring Dr. Kizza Besigye.
This as the party celebrated the grand opening of its new headquarters at Makerere Kavule. Kyagulanyi called for unity amongst all, arguing no party can stand on its own in advocating for peace.
Manyenti kununule kwanga chituka katako abana ba Uganda fena era gwe botunulire ensi ono sirikireyo olide mwensi olukwe nabo abakulwanirako gwe no sirikira joli obero basadase ono musajja tumutabuti naye nga twakunganye. Ebyo bigambo betwadde nga tuyimba ebbanga lyonna Dr. Kizza Besigye abisqueezeze mu slang emu mu quote emu. Quote eyo njagadde njogere na mu luzungu lwa street. If you don't care about the politics of your country, you is a fool. Not you are a fool. Kubanga bogamba you are uyinza otutwaliramu fenna. No, you is a fool. Gwengo omuntu.
Dr. Kizza Besigye, a four-time presidential candidate, congratulated the youngest political party for having made a tremendous achievement, comparing it to the ruling NRM that does not own its headquarters.
Who are unfortunate to identify and call themselves NRM surely must challenge Mr. Museveni of how they call themselves a mass party, that they can be without a home for 4 decades. And by the way, NRM grabbed a free plot, prime plot in town near the Crested Towers and has had that plot for 40 years without ever being able to put a brick on it. So, ladies and gentlemen, we come here today to congratulate you, sir, for this achievement, and through you to congratulate the NUP activists.
He reminded Ugandans to fight for their country and bring back the power to the people like their ancestors did in 1962.
Uganda abakyali balamu olwaleero bwe balina ku ggwanga lyaffe lino. Kubanga nga bwe mulaba tetumanyi n'enkya n'abeerawo. Ffe abakyaliwo tulina buvunaanyizibwa ki? What is our mission today? And in saying this, njagala tukiriziganye nti tuwangaalira mu ggwanga oba agaali amawanga nga gonna gaatuwambibwako. Uganda was not one country, it was many nations. All those nations were captured by the British.
David Lewis Luongoya, the Secretary General, NUP, said originally the party needed shillings 4 billion to construct the structure. Instead, a decision was taken to buy 4 buildings.
It belongs to us. We acquired it where the office of the President is. We were able to acquire this building. And we were also able to expand on the outside. Even this very building where we are right now, when we unveiled last year, we did not have it. It was not ours. So we decided to also buy this building and used less than 10% of the money that we would have required to build the other one which we had showed to you. That is because we thought we should be frugal, but also have what we needed to get. So that is the explanation I thought I should give to you. The other point I want to make is to appreciate our President. As you all know, we have been using Kamocha as our headquarters for over 4 years, even under People Power. And that place we have been using it free of charge. We have not been paying for the land in Kamocha, which belongs to our President.
The old offices in Kamocha will be used to further education as an institute for the party members, especially the younger leaders.
We are going to establish the National Unity Platform School of Leadership. So that is where we shall take our trainings so that comrade leaders can be educated in leadership and other aspects. So all the other departments, finance and administration, mobilization, the election management committee, organization and party building, policy and research, legal, media and communications, training, the head office will be here, although the training will be taking place there, and then arts, culture and sports, all of those departments will be here. And now that we have unveiled this place, we shall be open full every day to serve you, to serve Ugandans. What I can say is, this is your place. You're all welcome to come and use it.
Naguja Serena, Big Television.